How'd it break?
I was putting it on this shelf. All of the shelf collapsed on top of it.
Wow.
This is composed of 3 sections right now. As you can actually see, I don't know if you can see this, but it's actually broken once before. I've repaired it once before already. There's a big cut that's square all the way up and down the shoulder kind of blade. And now we're going to do that again. This is part of the cheek. This was, I think, supposed to be me at some point. And his cheek, and this little piece of cheek goes here. And that's where we're going to try to put that together. So I think we'll just start by putting the head on. This will be our goal. Here we go. Mission accomplished.
This is Graham 3 years.
Yep, 3 years
That's you
old.
at a model of you at 3 years.
Thumbnail. I'm really interested in doing something like, I don't remember exactly what it's called, but the technique for repairing pottery and things like that, porcelain, where they put the gold line through it so you can see where it broke, because it tells the story of that object. Right now, like I pointed out, this is broken, and now these are broken, but I am interested in going through and actually, one of the projects I want to do is actually go through, either find an identical one of these, because this is a kit that came in at somewhere like Hobby Lobby or Michael's back in the 90s, or back in probably the 80s, that my grandmother just picked up. But if we can find another one of these and I can repaint it as like a modern version, is like, so from like 3 years old to 33.
That'd be pretty sick.
That'd be cool, right? And so I either want to repaint this, which I might do, or get another one and paint it. But if I do go through and repaint this, it will be classy, and it will still be a fireman and everything, but it will be basically with my new skills, everything that we add lots of new elements to it to help people see how Graham has turned into Mr. Warden, more or less.